Hi guys, welcome to this channel. I'm Adrian. Today I'm at Canary Wharf, a major business district located in East London, here in England. It's on the ISO of docks. It's a major business district. It's one of the leading financial centers in the United Kingdom and home to many of the world's top banks, law firms, and other financial services companies like Amazon, Chase, JP Morgan, and a few others. Now, Canary Wharf is known for its striking modern skyscrapers with notable buildings like One Canada Square, which was once the tallest building in the UK. Now, in addition, its financial significance, Canary Wharf offers a range of shops, restaurants, cultural attractions, is well connected by public transport, including the Jubilee Line on the London Underground and the Dockland Light Railway, usually called DLR, making it a key area for both work and leisure. Now, I will be describing these buildings, but it's wise before describing buildings or describing what we are seeing on ground, we have to talk about the country itself. United Kingdom, that is London, where we are. Let's look at what makes it significant. Remember, what obviously we are doing here is x-raying the beauty of where we have found ourselves. So in earnest, I am trying to x-ray and to describe the beauty of the United Kingdom, starting from my projection or my projection point, London. Now, the country as a whole, this country has an area of 243,610 kilometers square. Its land area itself is 241,930 kilometers square. Its water area is 1,680 kilometers square. Now, the perimeter of this country is 12,872 kilometers. The coastline in the country is 12,429 kilometers. Its border length is 443 kilometers. This country is a country, the relief of this country is of the relief or terrain, as you may know it, if you just permit me, is that of highlands and hills. So we will be x-raying all of this. We will go to the highest point, just for this sake, for description, I would have to go up the point in Scotland, and I'll draw some analysis. As well, I will be engaging with a few persons. We would, be talking about or talking more about what this country holds. It's not enough for me to tell you how rich, as it may, but how does this impact in the lives of the people? As I have told you, or as I have described, we would get a first-hand knowledge from somebody, a citizen, as it may. Now, the forest in this country is 31,935 kilometers square. The agricultural land in this country is 1,700. Here is 172,496 kilometers square. The arable land in this country is 59,781 kilometers square. Now, as I said, we'll be visiting the highest point, which is Ben Nevis. It is located in Scotland. It is 1,344 meters high. That is above sea level. Now, aside from that, there are other elevations we definitely will be looking at. The population of this particular country, as a matter of fact, we would always repeat this, or we will reiterate this as we draw in our analysis. So the population of this country is estimated to be about 68 million. Now the density is about 279 people per square kilometers. Also, the median age of people here is 40 years. Now we have about 83% of people in the urbanized settings. So the rural setting also, which I'll be visiting, have just about 17%. So we will be drawing a line on the urban areas and the rural areas. We'll see how development in the urban areas get to, impinge or create impact on the rural areas. Don't forget, this country is predominantly a Christian country. When we look at a few other indices, like the Social Progressive Index, they are ranked 19th, in the world. Now, basic human needs, they are ranked 25th in the world. So, this is one of the world's most industrialized nations. So, we have to look at all of these to get to where we are going. Now, the foundation of well-being of this country, they are ranked 14. Social opportunities, how does it come by? They are ranked 22nd. The health and wellness, how healthy are they in this country? They are ranked 25th in the world. Now, the access to medical facility, they are ranked 48th. The life expectancy in this country is about 84 years, of age for the citizens. Now, the people in this country without adequate drinking water is 340,606 persons estimated. Those without electricity in this country, the country is well electrified. Now, what about your personal safety? In terms of personal safety, they are ranked about 15th. Now, for adequate housing, do we have people living on the streets? Well, to an extent we do. But in terms of adequate housing, they are ranked 58th in the world. Now, for traffic deaths, of course, there must be occurrence. So, they look at, or they experience about 2,000 traffic deaths, yearly. Now, access to education. Well, here, education is not something they preach all the time. I mean, because with or without education, there is still at least good life, for the people or for those that want to live responsibly. However, now, access to education, as I said, they are ranked 13th. Now, access to information, they are ranked 3rd. Then environmental quality, as you could see, each time I run this video, I also, x-ray the environment, looking at the sky, the air is good enough. Well, but they are ranked 9th in terms of the quality of the environment, looking at, other nations of the world, they rank ninth. How much CO2 emissions we have in this country? They are ranked 12th. Now they emit about 379 megatons of CO2. So they rank 12. But I know they cushion effect so much. Now, biome protection. If you follow my videos, you see, however, animals or birds and a few other things are free to roam. So this is part of, what it means by, protection of the biome. So they are ranked first because everything has, freedom to exist when it comes to them. Now for personal freedom, for you that is in, and for the citizens in the country, they are ranked 18, which means it's a place predominantly where there is freedom, personal freedom. As a matter of fact, if animals or non-living things, like trees and other things, and if animals themselves or itself could be free, how much more, human? Of course, humans are tolerated. So the tolerance level here is, they are ranked 28. Now, for GDP, this country has about 4 trillion pounds, real GDP. I will stop here. We will be looking at this as we go on our video. But as a matter of fact, the index or the indices we've been able to describe, also with nominal GDP, with per capita growth, with the budget balance, inflation level, strength of currency, and many other things, tells you that you should sit comfortably and watch as I bring to you one of the most industrialized nations in the world. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment on this video. This is only the part 1 of it. More of these videos will be coming your way, and a few analyses would be drawn, then description of the buildings, the companies that are in partnership with the country and in these particular places will be x-rayed, and possibly how a young person from some part of the world that I don't even know will be able to apply to get an opportunity to work with some of these world-class companies that are located in the United Kingdom. Please like, share, and subscribe. Send this video and this information of ours to pedagogists